Hi folks, I'm Farmer Tom. Farming today is changing faster than it's ever changed before, and farmers like me need new technology to help us farm more sustainably and to keep the weeds out of our fields. I've got some new friends at the Small Robot Company, and I'd love to show you how they're bringing some exciting science into the industry and making some massive changes.
So the Small Robot Company is looking to transform the way that farming works.
We set up Small Robot Company because I knew that technology could help us do things more efficiently and more accurately. We're trying to transform the way that technology is used to produce food. So we need a new technology that's going to enable this next age of farming to exist.
The Small Robot Company want to use robotics and artificial intelligence to bring about huge changes in farming. So what is that? Well, did you know we're at the beginning of the fourth agricultural revolution? It's the time of the robots.
We are at the start of the fourth agricultural revolution.
The shift, as we define it, from the third to the fourth agricultural revolution is a shift from heavy machinery and intensive cultivation to lightweight machinery and minimal or no cultivation.
The best technology we have on farms today enables me to carefully spray nutrients or plant protection products, such as herbicides which kill the weeds that take our yield. And I can use a machine like this to spray an entire field or a section of a field. But to be more accurate, we have to pull out weeds by hand, and that's a big job. So how can we use robotic technology to be as accurate as this, but on a much larger scale?
The real transformative breakthrough that Small Robot Company is delivering is around per plant farming. And that is the idea of using small, lightweight, autonomous vehicles to be able to monitor every single plant in the field as it grows over the course of the season.
Robotics are the tools that we will use to take action.
With the new generation of robotics, we really need to be able to get down to every individual plant in the field.
So to do this, we have developed a service of robots that we call Tom, Dick and Harry.
The Tom robot that you can see behind me will go out into the field, and Tom is really digitizing the field. He's recognizing the wheat plants, but also recognizing the weeds.
Tom will go out in the field, take a really detailed picture of literally every millimetre of the farm.
Tom then passing that data to Wilma, our AI-driven operating system, who is now capable of absorbing terabytes of information and converting that to per plant information in the field. And then that information being passed to Dick, who then goes out to the field to find the individual weeds that Tom has seen through his cameras, and then killing those with electricity.
Electrical weed zapping puts an electric current through a weed from the tip all the way through to the root. We're heating up the entire weed all the way through, killing the entire weed, not only the top, but the root as well. We can kill a weed and not do damage to the plant that's next to it, which is really transformative for the farmer.
So that's how the Small Robot Company uses robotics, AI intelligence and laser technology to help farmers control the weeds in their crops. And did you know, using this same technology, we can be more climate friendly by ensuring we keep more carbon in our soils. So we've seen that agriculture is evolving, it's becoming more sustainable, and it's right at the cutting edge of science. Now, my friends at the Small Robot Company hope you'll be inspired by their robot helpers, and maybe one day you'll join the fourth agricultural revolution and create one of your own.